Taiwan, a small island, just over 23 million people, yet home to one of the most critical industries on Earth. Its rise to global tech powerhouse didn't happen by chance. It was engineered. Back in 1949, Taiwan's economy was underdeveloped, but with support from US aid and a pool of well-educated, low-cost labor, Taiwan laid the groundwork for growth. By the 1970s, Taiwan had become one of Asia's 4 tigers, experiencing explosive industrial expansion. But the real leap came in the 1980s with a bold economic experiment, the creation of Hsinchu Science Park near Taipei. Here, the government backed innovation and left the inventing to private enterprise. The game changer? A decision in 1987 to invest heavily in one startup, Taiwan's Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC. TSMC changed the global tech industry. Instead of designing and selling its own chips, it focused entirely on manufacturing semiconductors for other brands, becoming the ultimate chip maker for the world. And it worked. By 2023, TSMC produced more than 90% of the world's most advanced chips, powering everything from smartphones to medical equipment to AI processors. That's not just economic success, that's strategic power. TSMC now makes up 8% of Taiwan's economy and 12% of its exports. By 2025, it was valued at nearly $1 trillion, making it the 11th most valuable company globally. But this prosperity comes with risk. China, the world's second-largest economy, considers Taiwan part of its territory. Meanwhile, Taiwan depends on China for nearly a third of its exports. The very neighbor that poses the biggest threat is also Taiwan's largest trading partner. This creates a delicate paradox. Some call TSMC a silicon shield, a vital technology China and the world rely on, making conflict unthinkable. But others worry it does the opposite, increasing China's desire to control the island. Even the United States, recognizing the strategic value of semiconductors, is investing heavily in its own domestic chip production, with help from TSMC. Beyond semiconductors, Taiwan's economy is more mixed. Growth has slowed since its miracle years. Wages are stagnating, inflation is rising, and despite low unemployment, people work long hours with declining satisfaction. Taiwan is trying to diversify with new policies focused on markets beyond China, but the dependency remains. And so the island finds itself in a fragile balance, thriving on innovation, shielded by its own genius, yet surrounded by geopolitical uncertainty. Taiwan's story is one of determination, vision, and collaboration between state and industry. But it's also a reminder that in our interconnected world, technology is never just technical. It's profoundly political. Thanks for watching.